everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to sign in to your Lorex Home app so you can start monitoring your security system right away. Let's get started. First, open the Lorex Home app on your Android device and make sure it's downloaded and updated to the latest version. On the main screen, tap Sign In or Login option. Here, enter the email address and password you have used when you have created your Lorex account. After you entered your details, tap the Sign In button. If your information is correct, you will be logged in and taken to your home dashboard where you can view cameras and settings. If you have forgotten your password, just tap Forgot Password, enter your email again and follow the instruction to reset it. And that's it, you have signed in and ready to go. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Lorex and smart home tips. If you have any questions, then drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.